everyone. I've had lots of people asking me about my Vevor heat press. It's one of the 5-in-1 heat presses, and I would like to show you today how I go about using the Vevor heat press. I would say the downfall to this machine is the instructions. You don't really get many instructions with it. So let's get into it and I'll show you how I use the Vevor 5-in-1 heat press. So here's the heat press. Now I have actually plugged it in, and this is what it looks like on the display after you plug it into power. So that's just telling you that there's power to the machine. I'm going to turn this on, so we press and hold this red button. Okay, so this is going to heat up now. So with the red flashing here, this is telling you that the machine's heating up to whatever the last setting was you used on the machine. I want to check and adjust the temperature, so we go over to this button and we press it once. So I've had it set for 179 before, so I want to put this on, so I'll make sure, as I go back to that while it's flashing, and I'm going to put this on 200 degrees. So we're going to try doing a neoprene Koozie today. When you press this button once and this is flashing, you need to adjust your time before the screen goes back to that. So if I go back here, this is the time, so I need to adjust this time. So I'm going to go down because I need to have it on 60 seconds. So I'll go back here to 65 seconds. Just keep pressing it to where you want it. So I'm just going to do 65. Okay, so that's actually flashing, and the blue light means the timer part of the machine. This is telling you that the machine's heating up, so this will take a little while to heat up to 200 degrees. Now if I press that again, so that's the temperature that we've got it set on, and this is the amount of time. So the blue light there tells you that's the time, and then it flashes back to the standby mode. And this is your on-off switch. This is the pressure up and down knob, so you can rotate that up and down to suit what you're going to press in the machine. This machine actually moves away to the side, so you need to have enough space to be able to swing your machine to the side. So this is where you attach the other attachments that you get. So I've got a mug press with mine, which I use. I don't really use the cap or the plate part of the machine. I really only use it for using the heat press and the mug press, so I'll show you the mug press later. But this is the area where you plug that in, but we'll get on to that later. It's quite a sturdy machine. Once it's set up, it's not going to move anywhere. Okay, so that's still heating up. It also comes with this Teflon cover. Now I like to put a piece of baking paper there just to cover the bottom in case any ink transfers through. And today, as I mentioned, we're going to try pressing a Koozie. This is the white Koozie here, and I've just got a little design here. It says "It's a good day," so we're going to put that on here and see how it goes. I have used this machine quite a lot for mugs. These are some of the mugs that I've done, and these are enamel mugs. I've done ceramic mugs as well, and as you can see, it comes out really well. When it's heated up, turn this back around, it beeps like this. So I'm working in degrees in Australia. It will fluctuate a little bit between sort of 204 to 200. So I've put the design onto the Koozie, just lined it up, and I've attached it with some tape. So now we're going to put it underneath the machine. I like to put it somewhere in the middle there, and then I'm going to cover it with some more baking paper. Okay, we're ready to press. Okay, this is for 65 seconds. 60 to 65 seconds was recommended for the neoprene Koozie. you can see on the top here, see how the counter is counting down and the blue lights going round? That means that it's actually on and it's counting down the seconds that you put in. And when it finishes, it will beep again. It's telling us that the timer is up. Swing this to the side. And let's take this off. Be hot, or anything that you take off here will be hot. So just watch your fingers on there. As you can see, that's transferred really well. And there's our cute little koozie. Thanks for watching today, and I hope that helps you understand your Vevor heat press a little bit better. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.